Hi everyone, it's Gerald Cannon and welcome back to The Journey. As a reminder, I am not a financial planner, nor is this financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. Alright everyone, want to make sure everyone knows Svuex has been nothing but outstanding performance and is a platform to us investors out here. I joined this platform on the 2nd of April and I'm getting ready to make video 22 everyone. They have investments as low as 0.7% to as high as 3.5%, and it does take a minimum of $10 to get going. Let's show you the mail you will receive if you're a part of the Svuex investment community. Here's the email I receive daily, everyone. We are pleased to inform you that your Quasar broker accrual, your profit has been successfully credited to my Tether wallet of $4, everyone. Let's jump over here on the program, and that $4 has hit. We have a balance of $12, everyone. Let me do a withdrawal because the withdrawal minimum is $10. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come under here under payments, and I'm going to stroll over to withdrawal. I'm going to hit that, and then I'm going to choose my wallet as a Tether TRC20. I'm going to come over here on the wallet address, and I'm going to touch that to paste that address in there. I'm going to say all. And then I'm going to put in a code that I chose when I joined this account, and I'm going to hit withdrawal, everyone. And now it tells us within some period of time, this withdrawal is now pending and it's going to be coming to our wallet. Here's a few of the withdrawals that are showing right now, everyone. $12, $10. That's my typical $10 or $12 withdrawal. Just depends on which day of the week I decide to do a withdrawal. Sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's 12. Because again, I'm receiving, let me go back to my dashboard area. I'm receiving $4 a day per that email, everyone. So here's some of the numbers we can run here. I invested $400 within this platform. I have withdrawn $76 without the pending withdrawal that I have now, and we have earned $88 since we've been in the platform. There's 3 bots you can participate on. It shows them down here. There's the Quasar, there's the Prosper, and there's the Synergy. So those are the 3 bots you can participate on, and they're trading and making that money for us. I'm on the Quasar. I'm going to click Quasar, and it'll show you the investment I am on, which again is $400. And I'm over here on the 25-day program. If I click this little 3-line area, it tells you I have 3 days left on a 25-day investment that I've been on. So I'm making $100 off of that $400, and then I have a chance to hit the heels and run, or come back in and invest, add more, things of that nature, everyone. You can come in with as little as $10. I have that icon checked over here because I can move around on these icons. So you see it highlights in blue. So if I highlight that one back in blue, it takes a minimum of $10 to earn 0.7% for 15 days. I'll go to the next investment, which is 25 days for 1%. It takes $25. And that's how you'll toggle through these various investments within the Quasar to see the various interest rates. I slide over here on return on investment. You can get up to 60% on your return on investment, and it tells you the lockdown period within the Quasar. They offer 15 days, and that's your $10 program, all the way up to $2,500. That's your 65-day program. If I click over here on the 65-day program, it'll show you what I mean here with an investment amount of $2,500. The 40-day program is paying 1.5%, and it does require a minimum $500 to do that. While I was talking, everyone, I heard some ching ching, so let's double check what the ching ching is all about, everyone. So if I come over here, received a few minutes ago, everyone, the video never stopped. I just continued making it and we heard the noise. So let me find a withdrawal from Svuex. Here's one here, everyone. I'm going to copy that verbiage. And my last one was $10, and you can see this one's $12. So I'm going to come over here on this received a minute ago, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that Svuex withdrawal of $12, everyone. So let's go ahead and get back out of the program. And you have 2 other investment vehicles that you can jump on, everyone. Again, Quasar is the most affordable one, or the lowest price, we'll say. Again, you have the Prosper and the Synergy, so I'll let you click on those at your convenience if you want to come in with more than $10 of risk capital, and you can go from there. They also have plenty of Telegram, Instagram, YouTube. Social media is what we're going to call it, everyone. There's Twitter or X. And you know, X is the new name. Instagram, IG, I call it. TG, which is Telegram. They have the community and they have the channel. And then YouTube, everyone. You're watching me on YouTube, per se. And then there's some things over here that will be crossed out if you're looking to join this platform. My very first video goes into very in-depth details on how to do that. Again, this is Svuex, everyone. If this is a platform you're looking to bring $10 of risk capital, see if it fits your diversification needs. If so, do your due diligence, whether it be watch my videos or however you go about doing your due diligence, and go from there. I have my videos within my playlist, and I also have a Telegram, everyone. So if any of those interest you, go ahead and check those out. All right, everyone, just a short, quick update to let you know how things are going. One other thing before we get out of here, make sure you look over on Trustpilot if you're considered this platform. And people are over there giving their good, bad, indifferent opinion about whatever they think about this platform. And you can look over there and decipher through what you feel would help you make a good, informed decision. All right, everyone, this is a platform that's been treating me nothing but great, though. All right, everyone, until the next update, you all take care. Stay up on everything that's happening here at The Journey. Be sure and hit that subscription button if you have not already done so, and give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell to be notified of all future uploads. I will always leave links to the programs that I am participating in under the video in the Show More area. If you'd like to proceed forward with any of those programs, make sure you take your time and do your due diligence prior to investing. Be sure and watch the video to the end, as I will link other interesting videos. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to come see us today over here at The Journey.